Hey girls, I have a really fun DIY video for you today. You guys have been showing us some major love on our printable decor videos, so I thought I would make a new one with more of an everyday kind of feel to it. So stay tuned, watch this video all the way through, and I'm going to show you how I turn this little piece of paper that says Stay Awhile into this fun sign here. All right, you ready to go? All right, girls, let's get started. All right, girls, this is going to be probably one of the easiest projects that you can do. So all you need to do this project is a wood surface. So I'm taking the carrot patch sign that we did. It's actually a free printable that's on our website. And so I got this block from Michael's, and it was like 99 cents. Can you believe that? So I'm just gonna flip it over and put this printable on the back because it will fit just fine. And so you're gonna need some type of surface. You're going to need some Mod Podge, of course, which is my favorite tool of all time, my favorite crafting supply. And then you're gonna need some scissors, and you're gonna need a printable. So this one is on our website. It says Stay Awhile, and we have some more on the website, so make sure you check it out. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna line it up, and I think this is gonna fit pretty good. So I actually am gonna go get a pencil, and then I'm gonna trace it a little bit better because it is a little bit bigger than this size. Let me grab a pencil, and we'll get it traced up. All right, so let's get this sign cut out. All right, girls, I forgot one other thing that we're gonna need is some type of brush to put our Mod Podge on the sign. So let me go grab one. I'm just gonna get a brush. And so I got these from Dollar Tree. They're just some craft brushes. We will be done. I'm just gonna flip this over. I actually have something on there already, but it's fine. All right, we're gonna put some Mod Podge on there. All right, so all you're gonna do is put your Mod Podge on your surface, and then you take your printable and you just adhere it to the surface and kind of pat it down. Take a little credit card or a little scraper if you have it, and then push it down. Add a little bit of Mod Podge around the edges. I also like to put a little bit of Mod Podge on the top just to act as kind of like a sealer. Don't go too crazy with that top coat because you don't want your ink to run. All right, girls, there you have it. We have a sign that is beautiful and it will look good on your tiered trays or your displays. I'm thinking we should probably test it out and see what it looks like on a tray. What do you think? All right, girls, what do you think of this amazing sign that we just made? I think it turned out awesome. Let me know in the comments what you think about it. So make sure before you leave this video, do one thing. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the next video. See you next time.